Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox Zelio 1700i inverter of Luminous company. Friends, nowadays we are controlling every appliances by using mobile app. Here comes this inverter. You can control this inverter by using mobile app, friends. Zelio 1700i inverter is the most intelligent UPS with mobile app control. Friends, we have to sign into the app. It is going to ask you inverter model and battery capacity like that. You have to fill it in and you have to select the battery range anywhere from 80 ampere hours to 200 ampere hours. You can switch on and switch off by using mobile app. This app will be available in the Play Store and it will be applicable to Android as well as the iOS. You can control on and off. It is going to show you the charging level of the battery. It is going to show you the backup in terms of hours and minutes like that. Friends, this is having volt ampere rating of 1500 volt amperes and active power rating of 1260 watts. With this rating, you can load up to 5 lights, 5 fans and 1 TV. If you want to go with the more number of loads, then go with the higher volt ampere rating of the inverter. Friends, this is best suitable for shops, homes, banks, etc. Based on your requirement, you can go with that. Friends, make sure that you have connected load less than the active power rating of the inverter. If you want to know the reason, please go to the previous video of EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter of Luminous company. EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter is the latest inverter in the Luminous company, friends. You can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button. Friends, this is a sine wave inverter, so you can run your devices very safely with better performance and less noisy. As this is a sine wave inverter, you can use this in the cities, low voltage drop areas and low time power cuts. For reason, please go to the previous video of sine wave inverter versus square wave inverter in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button. Friends, you can select the battery type over here. If you have selected tubular battery, you have to select tubular. If you have selected flat plate, you have to select flat plate. If you have selected SMF, you have to select SMF. SMF means sealed maintenance free battery, friends. Friends, you can select charging current also over here. Based on the capacity of the battery, you have to select the charging current, friends. If you have selected high capacity battery, then go with the high charging current. If you have selected low capacity battery, then go with the low charging current. Here comes the question why I have to do that. If you have selected high charging current for low capacity battery, it is going to decrease the battery life. If you have selected low charging current for high capacity battery, it is going to charge your battery slow. So make sure that one, friends. Friends, you can select eco mode or UPS mode for this inverter. If you have electronic appliances, then go with the UPS mode. If you have electrical appliances, then go with the eco mode. UPS is the best, friends. Friends, this is having bypass mode also. Advantage of having bypass mode is whenever the inverter is not working, the appliances that are connected to the inverter is not going to get the supply. At that moment, if you keep that in the bypass mode, then it is going to bypass the mains current. Friends, this is having warranty of 24 months and this is having DC voltage of 24 volts. You have to connect two batteries each of 12 volts in the series. This is the double battery inverter, friends. That means it is going to show you the display time in terms of hours and minutes in the display also. Friends, this is having 32-bit DSP processor. This is having MCB, friends, rather than the fuse, which is best. For more details, please go to the link in the description and follow me on the Instagram, friends.
Friends, here you can see the key features. Power backup time, display in hours and minutes. Android and iOS app for smartphone connectivity. Input mains, protection through MCB. 32-bit DSP processor. These are key features, friends. Coming to app features. Here you can see control the device and get real-time data at your fingertips. Optimize device performance for better backup time or better performance. High power mode for running higher loads. Switch the device on or off through the app. Friends, here you can see the protections. Short circuit, overload, wrong wiring, over temperature, battery deep discharge. Here you can see the display indications, friends. Mains available, eco mode, battery electrolyte level, battery charge or discharge level, remaining time of battery charge and discharge. False. Alarms. Battery low pre-alarm, battery low, overload and short circuit. It is going to alarm whenever these takes place. Friends, here you can see the warranty of 24 months. Manufacturing month and year. Here you can see 12 December 2019. Lot number. Item sine wave UPS. Model Zelio 1700i by 24 volts. That means this is double battery inverter. Here you can see voltage of 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Quantity 1 number. That means only one product will be available in this box. Dimension 310 cross 290 cross 135 in terms of mm. Length into width into height. Here you can see maximum retail price of 12,800 MRP. Manufactured by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the address, friends. For consumer complaints, contact customer care at Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the phone number, email, website. You can contact through any of these for complaints or queries. Friends, here you can see the Luminous company Zelio 1700. Now I am going to unbox this. Friends, here you can see the Zelio 1700i. This is the power on and power off button, friends. This is the Luminous company. Friends, this is the top side of the inverter. Here you can see recommended battery 24 volts. Each battery voltage is of 12 volts. So 12 cross 2 equal to 24 volts. Battery should be in the range of 80 ampere hours to 200 ampere hours. Okay. Correct polarity of the battery should be followed, friends. Make sure that one. Friends, here you can see the heat sink. This is going to control the temperature, friends. Okay, here you can see the positive terminal of the battery. This is the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, friends, here you can see high, medium, low. By using this button, you are going to control the charging current. Okay, high charging current, medium charging current, low charging current. Here you can see eco mode and regulated mode. Regulated mode or UPS mode, both are same, friends. Here you can see SMF flat tubular. You can select the battery type over here by using this. Friends, here you can see the model Zelio 1700i. Input rated voltage 220 volts AC, rated current 9.91 amperes, frequency is of 50 Hz. Output rated voltage 220 volts AC, rated current 7.16 amperes, frequency 50 Hz with the tolerance of plus or minus 0.5 Hz. Single phase capacity 1500 volt amperes and active power rating of 1260 watts. Operating temperature 0 to 45 degrees centigrade. Here you can see DC bus rating of 24 volts. Current is of 50 amperes. Here you can see normal mode, bypass mode. This is the input MCB, friends. Here you can see the rated current of 10 amperes. Okay, current is more than 10 amperes, it is going to trip. Okay, whenever the overload takes place or short circuit takes place, it is going to trip. At that moment you have to check it and switch on. Here you can see the output of the inverter, friends. From this we are going to take the input. Input is of AC input 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Okay, friends, this is the warranty card, user manual. Friends, the connector for battery water level sensor is connected at this point. Okay, there are two sensor jacks. Okay, S1 for battery 1 and S2 for battery 2. As this is the double battery inverter, they have given S1 and S2, friends. Okay, if this is single battery inverter, then they are going to give only one, that is S1.
For more details, please go to the link in the description and follow me on the Instagram, friends. After knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you have any doubts or if you want to buy this product, please call to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp also. 9966979707. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video.